Every 4 years, billions of people around the world tune in to watch the FIFA World Cup. The world's best players compete for football's biggest prize. But while fans focus on the players, few stop to think about one of the most important pieces of equipment on the pitch: the ball. Every pass, every goal, every save, and every historic moment depends on a perfectly engineered football. But have you ever wondered how Adidas manages to supply every official FIFA World Cup ball? From design and testing to manufacturing and global logistics, there's an incredible supply chain behind the world's most famous football. This is the story of how one ball reaches billions of fans. Long before the tournament begins, Adidas starts designing the next World Cup ball. The process can take years. Engineers study aerodynamics, materials, and surface textures to improve performance. The goal is simple: create a football that performs consistently under every condition: rain, heat, high altitude, fast shots, curved passes. Everything matters. Professional players and teams often test prototypes months or even years before the tournament. Feedback from these tests helps engineers make improvements, because at the World Cup, even small differences can affect the outcome of a match. Once the design is finalized, production begins. Modern footballs are far more advanced than traditional stitched balls. Today's World Cup balls use thermally bonded panels, which improve shape retention and reduce water absorption. Every layer inside the ball serves a purpose. The outer surface improves grip. The internal layers provide stability. The bladder inside maintains air pressure. Manufacturing requires extreme precision. Even tiny variations can affect how the ball moves through the air. Thousands of balls are produced to meet the requirements of the tournament, but manufacturing is only the beginning. Before any ball reaches the field, it must pass strict FIFA quality standards. Each ball undergoes several tests. Its weight must be within a specific range. Its circumference must be exact. Its bounce characteristics must be consistent. Its shape must remain stable after repeated impacts. Water absorption is also tested, because a football that behaves differently during a match can change the game. Consistency is everything. Whether it's used in the opening match or the final, every ball must perform exactly the same. That's why quality control is one of the most important stages of the entire process. Once the balls are approved, a massive logistics operation begins. The official match balls must be delivered to stadiums and training facilities. Backup inventory is also positioned throughout the tournament, but the supply chain doesn't stop there. Millions of replica balls are shipped to retailers around the world. Warehouses manage inventory, trucks deliver products to stores. E-commerce companies fulfill online orders. And global transportation networks ensure fans receive their World Cup merchandise on time. From factories to warehouses and finally to customers, every step must be carefully coordinated. Because demand increases dramatically during the tournament, one of the biggest challenges is forecasting demand. How many balls will fans buy? How much inventory should retailers carry? Will demand increase after a major match? No company wants empty shelves, but excess inventory can also become expensive. To solve this problem, companies analyze previous tournaments, market trends, and customer behavior. Marketing campaigns and team performance can also affect sales. If a country's team performs well, merchandise demand often increases. This makes demand forecasting a critical part of the World Cup supply chain. During the tournament, match operations become extremely important. Multiple match balls are available for every game. Officials ensure replacement balls are ready at all times. Ball boys help maintain the pace of the game. Backup inventory is stored throughout the tournament, because even something as simple as losing a ball in the crowd should never interrupt the world's biggest sporting event. Behind every match, thousands of people work together to ensure everything runs smoothly. To most fans, it's just a football. But behind every FIFA World Cup ball lies years of engineering, manufacturing, testing, forecasting, and logistics. It's a supply chain that spans continents and supports one of the biggest sporting events on Earth. Because when billions of people are watching, perfection isn't optional. And that's how Adidas supplies every FIFA World Cup ball.